Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and now we're going to yan. So yan, libre yan doon guys. So I don't know. This is our camp, Atlanta Tourism. It's our first time here since the last time. What time the camp will open? Ah, no, open. But later the show, what time? Thank you. What time is the show? Ah, okay. So this will be our camp where we are sitting because I requested the
this guy. He will give you a table.
Yeah.
Big table front.
Yeah, because we are four teams. Ah, you want here? Wala here in the middle. Same, ah. So this will be the stage later. We are very early. Okay. It's okay, Daddy. Let's go. Na-miss daw nila yung childhood nila. Si Jonathan, si Gurney, at saka si Aljon. Ayun na siya, sinundan ka niya, Jonathan. Akala ko sinundan. So guys, we're here waiting for our dinner buffet and the guys are enjoying their shisha. Yan. Anong flavor yan?
Blueberry.
Huh? Sana double apple. Double apple. Ayan, ng mga gwapong taga-sketch. Sketch Dubai.
Doon na kayo! Doon kayo dyan! Dito kayo! Doon na kayo!
Yan, no? Nag-aagawan sila sa dalawang shisha.
Upset ko na ba?
Ito naman, busy naman sila sa mga selfie nila, guys.
Buti pa si boss naka-social na ano.
That is...
may vape na rin pala.
Vape, Gaga. Ay, sorry, Gaga.
Ay, ito!
So, dumadami na yung mga tao, guys. The start will be at 6 p.m. They will be serving here 6 p.m. Yan. Maga din. Maganda din na maga kami kasi nakapili kami ng stage na malapit. Yan. We're still waiting for the... How to wear?
Style, ito, mga different styles. Anong kuya tanongin mo? Ano sabi ng driver? Ay, putang. Atluginsi. Leg, madam. Dole. Oswa. Ano yan? Ang ganda talaga ni madam.
Mike.
Ay, buto lang yun. Hello, Mike. Oh, shout out, Mike. Pawash out. Pawash out.
Sayo ka ba?
Hindi. Nanonood na lang. Manonood na lang sa'yo. Pwede sumayaw? Sayaw. Pawash out, pawash out. Ma'am Nailin, kasi mamaya yan.
Selos? Ayoko yun. Gusto ko yung kalma. Baby, kalma.
Wala na dito na.
ayun na nga guys. So we're still waiting for our dinner. And the guys are still enjoying their shisha. And we're still sitting and too much people is coming now. Yan. In this side, yan. Kung nakikita nyo yan guys. Hindi yan. Doon. Yan. So doon, you need to pay 70 dirhams each for you to have the VIP table. In VIP table, guys, bali kayo yung sisilbihan nila ng pagkain. You don't need to fall in line during the buffet dinner. They will give you all what you need. So, that's the perks. But here in public, you need to go to the line. Yeah, you will be the one to get all the food you want. If you still found, because they said today's visitors is too much, like 2,000 packs. So, paunahan na lang to guys. Hindi natin alam.
Buti na lang may tinapay tayo ate.
True to life. Kumain naman na kami ng tinapay. So, okay lang. Habol lang namin dito yung show.
Belly dancing.
Yes, so, tingnan natin guys. Let's see later. So, ayan guys. Dami ng tao. Parami na ng parami. Kanina empty pa dito. Ganda na lang din. Pag maaga kayo, makakapili kayo ng upuan nyo. Ayan. And you can order now some food. But it's not free. But the tea and water and coffee is free. Pwede kayong kumuha doon. Ayan. friend. Ay, lawat nyo! Kainis. Mga bagtit. Gumanti ang mga loko. O wag niya, hayaan mo na sila kuya. Buti pa dito sa Facebook eh. Daka na lang sa Facebook.
Grabe.
Grabe yan ba?
Ang lupit yung sa ilalim no.
Baka mabitawan niya yan. Okay na ako
Init yan.
Wapo naman yung Uncle. Nakita mo pa yun kahit madilim? Siyempre. Thank you. Pag ikaw siguro ang gagawa, tatalsik Abner. Hoy, ang galing niya! Woo! Woo! Oh my God! Talagang inumin niya yung gas, guys. May gas talaga? Gas talaga yan? Oo. Anong sunog na yung bibig nila? Woo!